Have you ever felt like you're paying too much in fees when trading cryptocurrency? Do those maker and taker terms on exchanges feel like a confusing language designed to trick you? You're not alone. Many crypto traders, especially those new to the space, get caught up in the intricacies of fee structures, often without fully understanding how they work or how to optimize them. Today, we're going to demystify one of the most common and often misunderstood fee models in the crypto world, the Gemini maker-taker fee structure. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what these terms mean, but you'll also know how to leverage them to your advantage and potentially save a significant amount on your trading costs. Let's set the stage. Imagine the bustling marketplace of a cryptocurrency exchange. Buyers are looking for the best price to buy, and sellers are looking for the best price to sell. This constant dance of supply and demand creates what we call an order book. The order book is essentially a list of all outstanding buy and sell orders for a particular cryptocurrency pair, like BTC/USD. Each order specifies a price and an amount. Now, within this order book, there are two fundamental types of orders that dictate whether you're a maker or a taker: limit orders and market orders. This distinction is absolutely crucial to understanding Gemini's fee structure. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency at a specific price or better. For example, if Bitcoin is currently trading at $70,000 and you place a limit order to buy 1 BTC when the price drops to $69,500, your order won't be filled immediately. It will sit on the order book, waiting for the market price to reach your specified limit. By doing this, you are effectively making the market. You are adding liquidity to the exchange, providing an opportunity for others to trade against your order. Think of it like this: you're putting up a sign saying, "I'm willing to buy at this price," which helps to define the market for others. A market order, on the other hand, is an order to buy or sell a cryptocurrency immediately at the best available current market price. If Bitcoin is $70,000 and you place a market order to buy 1 BTC, your order will be executed instantly against the best available sell order on the order book. You are taking liquidity from the market. You're not waiting for a specific price, you're simply grabbing what's immediately available. So, why does Gemini, and many other exchanges, differentiate between these two types of orders with different fees? It all comes down to liquidity. Exchanges thrive on liquidity. The more buyers and sellers there are, and the more orders sitting on the order book, the easier it is for trades to be executed smoothly and efficiently. This creates a healthy and vibrant trading environment. When you place a limit order that doesn't execute immediately, you are providing liquidity. You are making the market deeper and more robust. Exchanges love this because it makes their platform more attractive to other traders. To incentivize this behavior, they typically charge lower fees, or sometimes even offer rebates, to makers. It's like a reward for contributing to the health of their marketplace. Conversely, when you place a market order, you are removing liquidity. You are taking an existing order off the order book. While convenient for you, this action doesn't directly contribute to the depth of the market. Because of this, exchanges generally charge higher fees to takers to compensate for the liquidity that is being removed. Now, let's dive into Gemini's specific maker-taker fee structure. Gemini offers a dynamic, volume-tiered maker-taker fee schedule, particularly for users utilizing their active trader interface. This is where the real savings can be found for serious traders. For users interacting with the basic web interface or mobile app, Gemini has a simpler, somewhat higher fee structure that often doesn't explicitly mention maker-taker. For instance, for smaller orders, you might see fixed fees like 99 cents for orders up to $10, or a percentage like 1.49% for orders over $200. While these are straightforward, they generally don't offer the same fee optimization opportunities as the active trader's maker-taker model. The true power of understanding maker-taker on Gemini comes into play with their Active Trader platform. Active Trader is designed for more experienced traders and provides advanced charting tools, multiple order types, and a more sophisticated trading experience. Crucially, it operates on a sliding scale of maker and taker fees based on your 30-day trading volume. Here's a general breakdown of how it works. Maker fees. These are almost always lower than taker fees. On Gemini Active Trader, maker fees can start around 0.2% for lower trading volumes and can go as low as 0% for very high volume traders, e.g., over $500 million in 30 days. This means that if you're a high volume trader consistently placing limit orders, you could potentially pay no fees at all on your trades, effectively getting paid to trade. Taker fees. These are generally higher than maker fees. On Gemini Active Trader, taker fees can start around 0.4% for lower trading volumes and can go down to 0.03% for those same very high volume traders. The key takeaway here is that your trading volume directly impacts your fees. The more you trade on Gemini Active Trader within a 30-day period, the lower your maker and taker percentages become. This incentivizes active trading and rewards those who contribute significantly to the exchange's liquidity. Let's illustrate with an example. Say you're just starting out and your 30-day trading volume is below $10,000. On Active Trader, your maker fee might be 0.2% and your taker fee 0.4%. If you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin using a market order, you're a taker, and you'd pay $4 in fees, 0.4% of $1,000. However, if you place a limit order to buy that same $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and it sits on the order book before being filled, you're a maker, and you'd pay $2 in fees, 0.2% of $1,000. That's a 50% saving right there, just by changing your order type. Now, imagine you're an experienced trader moving significant volume. If your 30-day trading volume pushes you into a higher tier, say over $1 million, your maker fee could drop to 0.05% and your taker fee to 0.15%. This becomes incredibly cost-effective, especially when you're making large trades. It's also worth noting that Gemini has specific, often lower, maker-taker fees for stablecoin pairs like USDC/USD, DAI/USD, and USDT/USD, regardless of your trading volume. For these pairs, maker fees can be 0% and taker fees as low as 0.01%. This is a huge benefit for those who frequently move between stablecoins or use them for arbitrage strategies. So, how can you strategically use this information to minimize your Gemini fees? Embrace limit orders. This is the most direct way to become a maker and pay lower fees. Instead of instantly executing market orders, take the time to set limit orders. Even if you're aiming to buy or sell close to the current market price, a limit order that doesn't immediately match will classify you as a maker. Be patient. The slight delay in execution can lead to significant savings over time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.